welcome to my channel. So in this session I'm going to start how to write the Java hello program, because theoretical session is finished, which I have already explained you in couple of sessions. So now we will be talking about the prerequisites, which I have already told you, like you have to install and set the JDK path. If you don't have installed, so you have to download the JDK and install it. You can check my video, so how you can download and you can set the path. And after that we'll be starting the creating hello program. So coming to the programs writing program, so here you, as I told you, Java is an object oriented programming language, and everything which happen in a Java is based on the class and object. So here class is a keyword which I have given, and I am giving the example. The class name is first. So here, as per the program standard, we are going to write the class name as class first. This is my first program, and I'm writing the first program as a class name. You have to start your curly braces. Lately we will be using the id, but here the first program I'm trying to explain you, and set up in one notepad file, and trying to save as a Java. Okay, and how it will be work, that I will explain you from the notepad id. But once you will be in an industry and you will be a working professional, you have to use the id, because that will help you to mistake less. Okay, so class, you have to declare class name as a first program. I will start the curly braces. Then we use the public static. This is the main method we use in Java, public static void main. I'll explain you about this complete method. Here is string args. Okay, now curly braces is open. To display the message, we will be using the system dot out dot println, and here using the double quote you can use your program hello program. Okay, so this is my first program which I have written in curly braces. Okay, so the use of id, you can write a program in a sequence. So there is a multiple use. By we should practice program on id only, that I will explain you. You can download the id, you can set up and everything, but here we'll let's talking about this program. So class is just a keyword. Okay, I will explain you about the compilation flow, like how it will be compiled. Public is a keyword. Here there is a four kind of keywords we used in Java: public, private, protected. These are three actually which we used. But what is it, we will be talking about the access modifiers topic. So public is static, void main. Why we used method as static? So this is the main. It used to ask in interview also, if you are working professional, and if you are a student, so sometimes it used to in your exam as well. Why we use always writing your method as a static? So basically statics gets memory only once in a class. So I will explain you that structure also, don't worry, but later in program. So it will help you to save your memory. How it will do, I will explain. So for now, just understand this hello world program. Void, it does not return anything, because no need to be write your memory, is used to space your memory to return this code. Main is just a method name. String args, this is an array we used. So string is a class. Here args we have created is array name as arg. You can write is args name anything, you can write m and x as well, but string is a class, that letter should be is in capital. So to display the message, we use system dot out dot println. System is a class here. And one hack point is here, whatever the starting by capital letter, that will be class. Out is an object which is inbuilt in the system. So from where it's coming from, the print stream class, that you will understand once you will be in a file handling concept. So print is a method. ln basically used for new line. So it will give you one space, new line space after printing this message. That's why we use the ln. So now I will just tell you the compilation flow. For that I will be using that paint. Okay, so here I'm going to draw a one diagram, you can see. So this is your Java code. Suppose in this box you are having Java code, name is a.java. The class name which I have given first program, but I in small I will be writing this. So what it will do, it will compile. So here you using the compiler. Okay, this is your compiler. And bytecode, what will be this bytecode? I will because it will convert into the bytecode. So your program, once it will be compiler will convert your code into the byte program, and after that it will check. So whatever you are writing, the code is sufficient or not, and once it will be executing, it will return your output in your language what you have written. So basically, when you will compile your Java program, is using the JavaC tool, Java Siemens Java compiler, and it will convert your source code into the bytecode because it understands the bytecode.